Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get CapCut Pro for free. So if you want to get a free CapCut Pro, this is what you are going to do, and it's totally free. There's no crack or there's no cheating way. So it's official from CapCut. So what you need to do here, first you need to make sure that you've already logged in into your CapCut account here on the PC, and after that here you'll find this invite friends button. So just tap on that, and by clicking on that, this will show up, will pop up like this. Let's just wait. So this invite friends to get free pro will show up. So what you need to do here is that you can just copy this invite link and then share it with your friends, and whenever your friends log into their CapCut using your referral code or using the link that you shared, then you can enjoy the pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and desktop. You can get up to 70 days of free pro by inviting 10 of your friends, and here no credit card required and no auto renewal. So if you got only one friend, that means you got 7 days of free pro. So you can just invite as many as friends that you like with this invite link, and make sure that they open it and they use CapCut by using your referral code. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.